Alright, what's going on, my friends? In this video we are going to review the Hoop Shark. It just came in the mail today. I wasn't really even planning on doing this, but I'm too excited to get in my pool and try to shoot some hoops with the Hoop Shark. Now I bought this with my own money, so a little bit about it. It does come with its own basketball, a size 5 basketball. I don't know if is that the same size as this one?
No.
What size is this?
This is a tiny one.
This is a tiny one. Okay, we're gonna find out, but my boy Patrick's gonna blow it up with this.
Oh, wait. I don't.
And I'm gonna blow this up with my air compressor. Guess that's about it. So let's pump this up, put it in the pool, and see how this works. What do you think? Huh. All right, this is what comes in the box. Like I said, it comes with its own basketball. And then here's the Hoop Shark. Looks like I can get 50% off something. I'll put this down in the description if you like what you see. It'll take you right to Amazon where I bought this. Hey, you wanted to pump this thing up. Start pumping, boy. And put that in there. Don't break it. Okay, start pumping. This is going to take a while. And I got to get my pool Dolphin. My Dolphin vac is still doing awesome. I've had that for like, I don't know, probably close to a year now. I'll put one of them down in the description too. I think I've said before, I should have bought that vacuum like when I bought this pool. Sweet. All right, let's go pump this up. The ball at it.
Oh.
Oh, perfect.
All right, that's good, right?
Right there. Here we go.
Come on, Michael Jordan.
I'm so scared. This is gonna look good.
Did you make it?
I think.
I couldn't tell. Oh, look at this.
Hey!
Oh gosh.
That was garbage. That was so easy.
That
Wow,
way.
that
Hold
was.
on, I did that out way too far.
That was. Oh, you thought.
Good try. Good try.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's cheating. I'll splash it.
Ready? Oh, I crushed it. Oh, we got it. Hey, look. All right, good. Right. All right, we got it.
Going?
Yeah.
Ready?
That should count for something.
All right, thanks for watching this video. If you like the Hoop Shark, I will have one of these down in the description. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. God bless and have a great summer swimming.